Rotate the plant. Understanding the phrase. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting phrase, rotate the plant. This might sound a bit unusual at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. Rotate the plant is a phrase that literally refers to the action of turning a plant around. This is often done to ensure that all sides of the plant receive equal sunlight, promoting even growth. However, the phrase can also be used metaphorically. In a metaphorical sense, rotate the plant means to change your perspective or approach to something. It's about looking at a situation or problem from different angles to find a better solution or to improve understanding. In gardening, rotating a plant is a common practice. Here, the phrase is used literally. For example, if you have a potted plant near a window, one side of the plant might receive more light than the other. To prevent the plant from growing unevenly or leaning towards the light, gardeners rotate the pot periodically. This ensures that all sides of the plant get equal exposure to sunlight, leading to healthier growth. In everyday language, when someone says, "You need to rotate the plant," they usually mean that you should look at a problem or situation from a different viewpoint. For instance, if you're struggling to solve a problem at work, a colleague might suggest rotating the plant as a way of encouraging you to approach the problem differently. This metaphorical use of the phrase emphasizes the importance of flexibility and adaptability in thinking. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, rotate the plant. We hope you found this explanation helpful and that you can now use this phrase confidently in both its literal and metaphorical senses. Remember, sometimes all it takes to find a solution is to change your perspective. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to rotate your plants, both literally and metaphorically.